Welcome back to All Things Electronics. Today, we're quickly reviewing top microwave brands and why they stand out. Let's jump right in. Microwaves should be simple to use, reliable, and safe. Let's start with Panasonic, known for its inverter technology, which provides steady power for even heating. A popular model is the NNSN966S, which offers a large 2.2 cubic feet interior and sleek stainless steel look. Reviews praise its ability to warm food without drying or burning, making it ideal for soup, frozen meals, and reheating leftovers. However, some users note that the front buttons may wear out after heavy use, and its size can overwhelm smaller kitchens. Panasonic is perfect for families or anyone who heats food daily and wants consistent, no guesswork results. Next up is Toshiba, a trusted, budget-friendly brand with smart features. Models like the EM131A5CBS include a smart sensor that adjusts cooking time based on steam levels. It offers easy controls with one-touch buttons for popcorn, pizza, rice, and more, and even a mute option to silence beeps. Customers appreciate its quiet operation and simple cleaning, though it can be slower to cook than Panasonic units. Still, Toshiba offers strong value and straightforward usability, making it ideal for students, young professionals, or first-time microwave buyers. Sharp stands out with both countertop and drawer-style microwaves. Their innovative drawer models, like the SMD2470AS, slide out invitingly, great for older users or anyone with back discomfort. They also offer sensor cooking and easy-to-use presets. Though drawer units are more costly and typically require installation, users love their effortless access and clean look. Countertop models are reliable and quieter than other brands. Sharp provides both design flair and practical comfort, ideal for modern kitchens with thoughtful design. GE delivers versatility across countertop, over-the-range, and built-in styles. The JES1095 SMSS is a compact go-to model, functional, affordable, and easy to grasp, with features like one-touch reheat and a 30-second boost button. Larger models add sensor cooking and more power. GE machines generally earn praise for dependability, though some lighter-priced units feel a bit basic. They're a solid middle ground choice, well-known, widely available, and suitable for most budgets and home sizes. LG brings modern style and user-friendly tech with features like easy-clean interiors, inverter cooking, and silent doors. The LMC0975ST model combines sensor cooking with smart, aesthetic design. It also includes a stable hexagonal tray and sleek control panel. While some users find the door button stiff and the price higher, LG is a great fit for contemporary kitchens that value quiet, efficiency, and easy upkeep. Lastly, Amazon Basics offers a voice-controlled, compact countertop microwave perfect for Alexa homes. It lets you say, "Alexa, reheat coffee," and works well for simple heating tasks. It's small and affordable, great for dorms or small apartments, but may not heat large meals evenly. It's best for occasional use and anyone after a basic smart experience without complexity. These brands each offer something special: Panasonic for even power, Toshiba for simplicity, Sharp for design variety, GE for dependability, LG for modern tech, and Amazon Basics for smart homes. When choosing, consider interior space, power, presets, and ease of cleaning. Thanks for watching All Things Electronics. If this helped, like, comment with your favorite, and subscribe for more no-fuss tech reviews. Check the description for helpful links.